Boys and girls, this is a burger. There's only one built. It's a custom build. There was two sister ships. I think they're a little bit smaller. This is a 48. This is what 7 million. This was a $7 million build. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it is for sale.
I'll take you for a little walk down below here, and you can go to Burger Yachts and look up the 50-foot boat and see this boat and all of the specifications when it was newly built. And you can see it right here. We got the front room closed off just because of this is where they use it for storage right now. They've been living on this boat for 2 years. Never really touch any marinas or anything like that. They pretty much live on it. This is the master bedroom right now that I'm walking into. See, just absolutely gorgeous. This would make it just an amazing loop boat. Just an incredible. It's been looped like 2 times. I think it would be the third time in the next one. Here we're going to take it for a little bit of ride, and I had the privilege of actually driving the boat all day the other day. Just an incredible boat, but right now we're just taking some friends out and just kind of walking down the side. Just nice spaces down these decks right here. Look at that, just great visibility. Those windows right there are all electric. You can just open them up. There's the Chief right there. Just a beautiful ride out there on this Burger 50. That's the sunset out here in the Keys the night we took it out. The full helm station right here, all of its electronics, all just touch. Everything's just touch screen, which it should be on a 2021 boat. Anybody's interested in this boat at all, man, just give me a call and I'll relay the information. But an absolutely gorgeous build. Burger did a fantastic job with this one. You can see the sideways controls right here. Very cool.